was a time when the silence stayed silent, when a clock was just some numbers on a wall. Rain on the rooftop was only bad weather, but not some coded message after all. Back then my mind could still sit still inside the small and forgettable things. Now every shadow feels connected, like something hidden from beneath it all. Everybody says the signs of meaning. Everybody says just be open to receive, but nobody says what happens to you when you stop knowing how to believe. Everything means something now. Every damn signal has a name. Every loss becomes a hidden lesson. Every memory a burning flame. Still I built this with my shaking hands. Still I move through all the doubts. If all faith belongs to perfect people, then what the hell was this all about? Kept hearing about my highest purpose, like heaven ran some holy hiring board, like grief itself were failing audits at some invisible spiritual door. Meanwhile, life kept needing some living. Bills and dogs and broken sleep. Promises we could not keep. And somewhere under all of that, a face I barely knew anymore. 2 years vanished into static, still knocking at my door. Everybody says, stay alive now. Everybody says, don't resist. But nobody says what happens to you when every shadow starts to. Everything needs meaning now. Every silence turns alive. Becomes a hidden message. Every ghost somehow survives. Still I drove, still I carried on, still I worked through all the doubt. But if breaking down looks this spiritual, what the hell was this about?
my door.